Hi guys, I'm Nayantara Rai reporting for ET Now, and I have a very, very big story for all of you today. It's a story that we actually broke first right here on ET Now, and now here is the digital video. Um, it's to do with one of the largest corporate boardroom battles that we've seen. I am talking about Cyrus Mistry versus the Tata Group, where ET Now was the first to report that Cyrus Mistry's review petition at the Supreme Court has been admitted by a three-member bench, including the Chief Justice of India. The three-member bench, in fact, has voted 2-1 in favor of hearing the review petition, which is likely to be listed now on 9th of March. Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, and Justice A.S. Bopanna have agreed to admit the review petition. The third justice has dissented, that is Justice V. Ramasubramaniam, who dissented and stated that no grounds have been raised in the review petition that fall within parameters of a review. At this juncture, I'd like to tell all of our viewers that a review petition at the Supreme Court is usually admitted as a very rare case. It basically means what? That a previous judgment of the Supreme Court should be reviewed, should be relooked. It is decided usually in the chambers of the justices, and then you have an order. In this case, we are in receipt of the order as being issued by the court master. So that's very important to know, that review petitions are rare. A review petition reversing a previous Supreme Court order is even more rare. So we'll have to watch out and see what happens next. This is a battle that goes back to 2016. It was in October 2016, where at a board meeting, Cyrus Mistry was removed as the chairman of Tata's Sons. This was over differences that he'd been having allegedly with Ratan Tata over how he was running the conglomerate. It was called a coup. Cyrus Mistry didn't see it coming. After that, it has been a protracted, long legal battle with many twists and turns, where the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, in fact, had in favor of Cyrus Mistry and reinstated him as the chairman. Later on, a Supreme Court verdict actually struck down that tribunal order, and it is that verdict which Cyrus Mistry is now appealing. Cyrus Mistry, in the middle of all of this, had also extended an olive branch of sorts to the Tata Group, where he had written a letter saying, while it might pain him, he is willing to walk away if he is paid fair market value for his 18% stake in Tata Sons. There was a lot of conversation about how can Tata Sons be valued, who will determine the fair market value. There was also a lot of discussion on, will we see if this could be the first sign of both parties maybe going in for an out-of-court settlement or a mediation. None of that has happened. Is this case now also more about egos? What can possibly change? Well, there are very high stakes here. It'll be interesting to see what happens to Cyrus Mistry's stake in Tata Sons. At the time of recording this video, we did not have a statement either from the Cyrus Mistry camp or from the Tata camp. We are still awaiting that. But for now, this is the big, big development. Cyrus Mistry getting another day in court with the Supreme Court admitting his review petition.